Alright, hey y'all, I'm going to jump right into this tutorial. To outline my brows, I used the e.l.f. Precise Brow Pencil, and I did that for the bottom and on the tails, on the top a little bit. And then to further fill in, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dual Brow Powder in dark brown and a BH Cosmetics V10 brush. To carve out my eyebrows a little bit more, to help with the shapes and just make them stand out more, I used some of the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in 20 medium and the e.l.f. flat eyeliner brush, but I used that as a concealer brush. Once my eyebrows are more carved out, I can see what I need to fix more, so I use some dip brow and a NYX number 18 brush to make sure to get my brows straighter, and then set the hairs with the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in Brownie Browns. To prime my eyes for eyeshadow, I use the Maybelline Master Conceal in 20 Light, and the first look I did, I ended up not liking it all. The yellow did not pop enough for me, so I ended up doing the same color scheme again, but I flipped it. So using ItsmyRayeRaye number 6 brush in the orange shade from the Juvia's Place Zulu Pallet, I blended that in for my transition. Using this random Beauties Factories brush I have in that brown shade from that same palette, I'm packing it on and blending it out to get my transition going. I cut my crease with the L'Oreal True Match in Warm Fair Light, and I ended up doing orange for the inside on a flat brush, and everything I use is going to be down below in my description box. And then for the other half of the cut crease, I used the NYX eyeshadow in Africa, and I used a Wet n Wild brush to kind of get the outside, and then a double exposure Smashbox brush to tap on and make sure to get the product on there. Then I went in with the Morphe B81 brush to really get that brown color to pop more in the inner corner. I felt like the orange needed to be just a little bit more popping and out there, so I went in with the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival Pallet and used the shade Hippie. For my brows, I used the shade Trixie to highlight. Okay, so I did my foundation off camera for this video, so I'll put all the descriptions below. For contour, I used the ItsmyRayeRaye palette, the contour shade Mocha on a Real Techniques, I believe it's one of the gold medals brushes. I'll have that down below. And I used the leftover product for my nose. I used the highlighter Moonlight for the inner corner highlight for my face. I feel like I've been doing this tutorial for hours because I literally started it over because I didn't like the look I did at first. Because I wanted to include the yellow, I put a little bit on my lower lash line. If I trusted myself, I would add some eyeliner. I went pretty basic with the eyeliner, but I just used the NYX matte eyeliner in black, and I just did a simple wing on both my eyes. I know that this look could have called for some lashes, but especially for simple looks, I don't mind using my natural lashes. So I used the e.l.f. 3-in-1 mascara on my top and bottom, and I really coated them. Using my ItsmyRayeRaye palette, I mixed the shades Radiant and Moonlight for my highlight using an ItsmyRayeRaye highlighter brush. And then I used the Just Color Pro Glow highlighter in Unicorn Dust for my nose highlight. There's so much more I could have done with this look, but I just topped it off with some NYX Butter Gloss. Thank you so much for watching, and before you know it, I'll be back with a new video.